Salting the pasta water is non-negotiable. Pasta cooked in unsalted water will always taste flat, no matter how good the sauce is. Extra virgin olive oil is the flavor base and emulsifier. Cooking tomatoes down concentrates flavor, removes excess water, and mellows the acidity. Garlic gives aromatic backbone, a subtle warm pungency that infuses the oil. Chili flakes, optional but traditional in many southern versions, like in Naples. Don't overdo it. It should complement, not dominate. Fresh basil adds sweet, peppery, herbal brightness that lifts the entire dish. Long pasta, like spaghetti or linguine, works best because it holds the light sauce beautifully. Crushing tomatoes by hand keeps a rustic texture, while blending gives a smoother sauce. Finishing the pasta in the pan with the sauce allows it to absorb flavor and bind to the sauce. dishing the pasta in the pan with the sauce allows it to absorb flavour and bind to the sauce.